Every options guru on YouTube teaches iron condors. Search for option strategies and you'll find hundreds of videos about iron condors, credit spreads, and the wheel. But there's a strategy that beat iron condors by $3,000 over 5 years and almost nobody teaches it. Calendar spreads, the most profitable option strategy nobody talks about. Here's how a calendar spread works. You sell a short-term option and buy a longer-term option at the same strike price. The short option decays faster than the long option because theta decay accelerates as expiration approaches. The difference in decay rates is your profit. Think of it as renting out your longer-dated option. The short option generates income, while the long option holds its value. The optimal calendar spread setup from my backtests. Sell the 14 DTE option. Buy the 45 DTE option. Same strike, at the money, on SPY. This configuration maximizes the theta decay differential. The 14 DTE option loses value about 3 times faster than the 45 DTE option. You're capturing that gap as profit. Calendar spreads versus iron condors. I tested both strategies on the same data, same time period, same underlying. Iron condors at their optimal setup, 10 delta, 30 DTE, 50% profit target, made $18,186 over 5 years. Calendar spreads in the 14 and 45 DTE configuration beat that by over $3,000. Higher total profit, better risk-adjusted returns, and nobody is teaching this. Why don't gurus teach calendar spreads? 3 reasons. First, they're harder to explain. Iron condors have a simple payoff diagram. Calendars require understanding time-value differentials. Second, they don't fit the sell premium narrative. Most options education is built around collecting premium. Calendars require buying an option too. Third, lower commissions per trade means less broker revenue. Iron condors have 4 legs. Calendars have 2. Follow the money. Calendar spreads aren't perfect. They lose money when the underlying moves significantly in either direction. They need the stock to stay near the strike price, similar to iron condors. They're also sensitive to implied volatility changes. If IV drops after you enter, the long option loses value faster, and they require more active management than a simple credit spread, but the data shows the extra effort pays off. Key takeaways. Calendar spreads beat iron condors by over $3,000 in my backtests. The optimal config is 14 DTE short, 45 DTE long at the money on SPY. They require more attention than iron condors but reward the effort. Almost nobody teaches them because they're harder to explain and don't fit the sell premium narrative. If you're already trading iron condors successfully, calendars are the natural evolution. The most profitable strategy nobody talks about. Now you know. If you want the full iron condor comparison, check out videos 20 and 36 in my backtesting series. Subscribe for more strategies that the data actually supports. Not what's popular, what's profitable. Data doesn't lie.